guys, welcome back to the channel. Today's part 2 of our 6-day motorcycle trip that Lainie and I took to Nashville, Tennessee over the summer, totaling 1,758 miles. If you haven't seen our last video was us riding through Skyline Drive in famous Shenandoah National Park. If you haven't seen that video, I'll drop a link down below in the description. Feel free to go check out that video. But in today's video, it's all about riding the back of the Dragon. So as you saw there, we stopped at the gift shop first, which is in Tazewell, Virginia. Mostly simply because of the fact that just our plans for in the morning, hopping between some Harley dealerships, we just ended up in Tazewell first. And by that time, it was about lunchtime, so we ended up having a nice pizza, which is one of the foods that they offer, which the pizza ended up being excellent at the brewery section of the gift shop. We ended up enjoying a nice cold beverage before heading out to ride the back of the Dragon. So we ended up hitting the back of the Dragon, like I said, from the Tazewell side, riding the full 32 miles, 438 curves through Marion, Virginia, which ended up taking us to our hotel for the evening, which was right outside of Marion. Long before it was a destination, this road was just a way through the mountains. What's now Virginia Route 16 was shaped to follow the land, winding through southwest Virginia at its own pace. Today, riders call it the back of the Dragon. 32 miles, 438 curves. What really stands out here is how smooth the road feels. Clean pavement, consistent lines, curves that flow instead of fighting you. You're not dodging bumps or broken asphalt. You're settling in, leaning the bike naturally from one corner to the next. Virginia Route 16 lets you relax into the ride. Steady throttle, easy transitions, a rhythm that feels almost effortless. It's not about pushing limits. It's about enjoying how well the road works with you. Quiet mountains, long views, and pavement that makes you want to keep going. The back of the Dragon, Virginia Route 16, Tazewell, Virginia. Smooth roads, easy miles, one ride you just don't rush. haven't already previously ridden the tail of the Dragon, which is 318 curves in 11 miles, I can definitely say with confidence that the back of the Dragon is a much more relaxing, enjoyable ride. Mostly because you don't deal with the knuckleheads like on the tail of the Dragon that constantly try to push themselves beyond their limits every curve. This is definitely a lot more laid back, sweeping, higher speed, highway type curves. So I personally would endorse the back of the Dragon over the tail of the Dragon. Although the tail of the Dragon was definitely a bucket list experience, I would suggest you checking out the back of the Dragon if you're going to find yourself in the area. you guys made it this far in the video, hopefully you enjoyed some of the scenery and the beautiful greens, especially during these cold winter months. Please do me a favor, go ahead and smash that like button, comment, subscribe, hit that bell icon so that way you guys get notified when I post new videos like this one. Your journey on my channel is not over yet. YouTube's going to suggest another video that you may like based on the algorithm, as well as there's going to be another playlist for you to click on if you're interested in this type of content. So be sure to click on those videos and continue watching. But until next time, you guys ride safe, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace!